not very nice.
No.
And if you say you can't play with me, and then after that say I don't care, and then after that punch people in the eye. That's not nice. And then they say I don't care. Like that.
What are the bad words?
Kick in the eyeball and kick in the face, and I don't care, and I'm not letting you play my game, and I'm not letting